Okay, so let's start with some simple UV mapping. This is not so far from what we know from the projection notes. Okay, here in the menu you have cylindrical, planar, spherical, automatic, which is the triplanar, best plane, camera base, contour stretch, and we have some of them here as well. Okay, I'll turn on my objects, and for example, in this table, I could use a triplanar. And what it does is projecting the texture from every side. And it doesn't necessarily look so bad. It's a kind of a stretch. Wait a second. There. It's not looking that bad, okay? But these tools are not meant to be the final solution. And if we observe this now in the editor, what it did is that it put all the faces and projections separated as separate shells, okay? Which might or not be the solution we want, okay? So we don't use this automatic UV mapping as the final solution. We combine them and use it in a smart way. So let's think about how we're going to do that. The best plane, what it does is that you take a bunch of planes, okay? And you select best plane, select the best plane, and then it averages those planes, those maps, based on that plane. So you also have planar, and I could have used planar here, but then I have to tell the planar in which angle this is. So for example, in this case up here, figuring out the angle of that face is annoying. So I just use best plane, and it goes straight forward, okay? Then we also have camera base. Camera base is very simple to figure out. UV camera base. Basically, it's mapped based on where my camera is. So this doesn't look so bad, but as soon as I move, I realize that the rest is all stretch, okay? And we are gonna use camera base a lot because it gives me a 3D image of my object, and then it's easy to figure out where to put the seams, okay? Now, the other option is contour, and contour is really useful when we are doing things like terrains and roads. So contour is not a projection like the others. It's actually figuring out how to stretch and move the UVs so that it follows this contour.